This is the brand new 3.3 metre Hydrus H6. And in this video, we're going to be unboxing it and putting it to the test on a ruthless OIZ mission. Have a look at this.
I've been in a lot of SIBs, and at the point of releasing this video, my first ever SIB, the 3.6 metre Green Machine, holds the record for the smallest inflatable boat to have crossed the Irish Sea.
We've tackled some crazy conditions and conquered vast distances, and I'd like to think we know what works and what doesn't. In this video, we will be opening up the most advanced SIB to hit UK markets for the first time,
as well as testing its mettle by putting it up against some of Britain's most ruthless stretches of coastline.
By pushing the boundaries of what small inflatable vessels can achieve, we have conducted a thorough analysis of the Hydrus H6.
Our aim is to present to you a useful showcase of the features and characteristics of this top-of-the-line SIB so that you can know what to look for when considering a soft-hull inflatable boat for your adventure fleet.
To me, to you, to me, to you.
Here we are, let's get it down.
This is the brand new Hydrus H6 3.3 metre SIB. Let's get stuck into it. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, bloody hell.
With only a pair of micro scissors, we battled through the thick postage protection.
Inflatable Boat Fishing is the company that sent us this boat. So thank you very much, guys. We really appreciate it. And we can't wait to put it to the test. It's a great day for it, although it is kind of grey. We are in Scotland.
Always take care when opening your new boat, as you don't want to pierce the material before you have even started.
Get rid of your rubbish, guys, responsibly. Right, moment of truth. Oh, nice one. Let's get this thing open. This is the black and red colourway. You can also get it in camouflage. And I'm excited to see what it looks like in person. This is the standard version, and we're going to show you what comes in the box and what you can expect when you get your H6s in. So first up, we've got the puncher repair kit, which is really, really important. Every Hydrus H6 variant comes with rail blazers, which means you can attach your rod holders and all your different bits of gear. We've also got the seats, which look really good quality actually. A pump, and all this stuff comes as standard. Oh. Whoa. So this is the boat itself. As you can see, one person can carry it. And then we've got the bag and the inflatable deck, which I'm really excited to check out. Last but not least, we've got the oars and the seat bag, which is really slick, really slick. And we'll find out what this is when we put it on. The next step is to roll it out and get it inflated. And Ramsey has actually come just on time. So come and grab the other side of this. Perfect timing. Let's get it on the flat. Ready, 3, 2, 1, down. Woo! Oh, that is slick, man. Decent looking pump. Oh, no. Oh. Leave no trace. It smells like a new boat. This is the main man in Port Bannatyne. Aye. This is the main man, Alan. So I want to see Get Up Alan in the comments.
No, that's no good because mine's going to...
Aye, because my fish is going to be all...
Mine's not going to go there.
It's 3 chambers for the air to be pumped in.
That feels like seats.
That's a seat.
There we go, that's the deck.
Whoa!
It's going to save our lives, isn't it? Make it way easier to actually inflate it now. Wow, man. Oh, it's even got handles on the back.
It's really, really nice.
Isn't it?
And my favourite bit, the oars. Because this Hydrus H6 has the mechanisms that I'm so in love with. If you're a long-time watcher of the show, you'll know that I love the mechanisms. So the oars go on just like that. Wow. With one little nut. And this fit to the side of the boat. I'm really excited about this. Naturally, it started to rain, but we continue here at OIZ. Everything that can be upgraded has been upgraded, including the bow handle's been reinforced and the transom is made from FRP, which is fibre reinforced plastic. And that means it's much stronger and much less likely to get punctured, which is absolutely brilliant when you're out on the missions. We've also got the reinforced air decks, which are really, really important. And the things that have been added are the D-rings, which are here, the fish measuring chart, which is here. Everything you see has been designed specifically for catching as many fish as possible. So hopefully that'll, that'll change the OYZ curse. We'll see.
Oh, that's so light. With only 10 minutes to go to meet Grandad for dinner, we rush to get the boat in the water.
Go on, Alan's in. Tagged Alan in. There you go. Right, now you've got it.
Sweet.
No! We're in!
And she's launched.
Yeah! Let's get in, boys.
Right, I'll give Rams a piggyback, should I?
Yeah.
Go on then. Ooh, piggyback. Go on, lad. Rotations. I'm in.
He's in.
See you later, Al.
And we're away.
And we're away. See you later, Alan.
See you later, Alan.
Get in.
Right. Ready? Mechanisms.
Go on.
That's way better, that.
Yeah.
We're going to make our way to the hotel for some scran, and we're going to put the Hydrus to the test by racing it flat out against the Red Boat World. You ready, Rob? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Smashed! This is rapid! Oh my god!
Though we had not yet found our final configuration, and we had observed that the boat would need more air and other tweaks, I could already tell that this boat was going to be the fastest and most manoeuvrable SIB we had yet got our hands on. Its slick lines and streamlined design meant that it cut through the water with ease, and with the right motor, once it reaches the plane, it skips over the surface at a breakneck pace.
This 3.3 metre vessel had already exceeded my expectations and was unusually capable with a crew of 2 for its size. Having blown the Boatwell 420 out of the water, we made our way into shore on time for dinner.
Yes! Oh! What a beast of a SIB. I love it already. Obviously we need to tweak it a little bit and work out our configurations, but I think it's going to be a brilliant addition to the fleet. And now we're in for some scran with Grandad. Outside your zone. Can't even see him from here.
We went home to make the necessary tweaks and prepare for the coming 500-mile adventure.
Everything that you could think about for an inflatable boat has been thought of. It's absolutely unreal. I mean, just look at the build quality of the Hydrus. It's too good. The handles are all thought out.
It was now time to put the Hydrus to the ultimate test, out in the Hebrides and the North Atlantic Ocean.
The H6 is a versatile vessel that functions well in a variety of settings.
The Hydrus.
If you're into small vessel exploration, and your favourite type of missions include small islands and hard to reach archipelagos, this is the perfect boat. With its shallow draft and thick FRPVC, it's able to reach rarely explored areas where other vessels are unable to land.
The level of utility that the H6 provided meant that it was immediately elevated to our primary reconnaissance vessel.
This boat is unmatched in stability, strength and manoeuvrability, allowing you to take your adventures further than ever before.
Oh! So many crazy islands here, it's incredible! The currents are crazy, aren't they? Yeah, they're mental.
The magic of discovering deserted islands and hidden coves makes this boat a quality addition to any fleet.
Yes, the team. So I'm on the way out on the Hydrus H6, aka my new favourite SIB, and I'm going on a mission to Iona, right through the Iona Sound. Look at this. This is just unbelievable. Wow, what a beautiful place.
This place is definitely up there with one of the coolest places I have visited on a SIB.
Who knows where our next adventure will take us with this new capability?
I mean, just look at that water, man. If it was a 30-degree summer day, like, you definitely wouldn't doubt that we were in Scotland.
The hydrodynamic design of the H6 makes it perfect for locks and channels, as well as providing a fast and efficient vessel for accessing harbours, moorings and inlets.
Righty ho then! This will be the first cast.
First cast.
Let's get it
Got
up.
the cannons on the castle.
If you're into catching fish, the Hydrus is a purpose-built angling SIB, capable of hitting tight spots, withstanding rough conditions, and with all the features that you need.
Throw! Fish on, fish on, fish on.
Yes.
Fish on.
Here we go.
Bro, no, it's this boat.
Yeah, it's this boat.
Right, we've never had any luck. That's my first sea catch ever. And I just caught, yeah, it's my first sea catch ever. And I caught 5 mackerels on one.
Oh my god, Rad.
So like, I'll take that.
36 centimetres.
As one of the most interesting features of the H6, the measuring device comes in handy for identifying what to take home, as well as setting records and comparing your catches conveniently.
Yeah, he's away. Right, 25 centimetres, but he's away.
This boat makes SIB fishing much smoother and ensures a bountiful catch if put to use.
The H6 is a perfect tender or second vessel, and has been a game-changing addition to the OYZ fleet.
Unlike most of the tenders we see, this boat is not an underpowered liability, and it's fully functional as a standalone vessel.
Capable of going places that the mothership can't access, and it would be foolish to attempt in other tenders. The H6 is the boat for salty sea dogs who require a reliable dinghy that can pull its weight in high-pressure situations. With its ability and comfort in carrying big payloads, it excelled consistently as a utility vessel throughout the Hebridean adventures.
It was clear throughout our tests that the H6 would make a useful addition to any task force.
Transfer! Get on! Transfer.
When slightly less power is needed, and you find yourself in a sticky situation stuck behind a bridge or a lock, the H6 makes for a great small outboard tender.
At only 3.3 metres long, with strong handles everywhere, it takes the sting out of canal logistics and can be hoisted on board with ease.
With the inflatable floor installed, we were even able to lift it onto the roof of the Nicholson.
And there's the H6 on top of the pilot house.
Even if you already have a tender, but it just doesn't quite hit the spot for size and reliability, the H6 is the ultimate vessel to add to your flotilla. Like many of you, what gets me most excited about being out on the open seas is the wildlife, and we've had some special encounters on board this boat.
Its small size and deployable rowlocks make it an item of curiosity for many marine mammals.
Oh my god.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 places.
We just had a whole family of hardcore boys swim straight at us.
Nah, there's no point counting those.
No.
There must be at least 15. 1,
Yeah, they're all underneath as well.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh my god.
What an experience. They were so close. I love that every single time. Nothing better.
Its sturdy design and capable frame means that it can hit spots that other vessels can't go or won't bother to frequent.
We're not going to go anywhere near them, I don't think.
No. Well, we don't want to scare them off as well. We don't want to disturb them or anything.
Got a lichen growing on it, man. It's bad.
So this boat is 3.3 metres, which is actually shorter than the Green Machine. So if we cross the Irish Sea in this, we'd be breaking our own record.
Here at OYZ, we have tested many different SIBs in a range of conditions, but none of our SIBs have ever proven themselves worthy of the ocean.
You can see the material, it just isn't as strong.
With confidence in its sturdy hull, we put the Hydrus to the ultimate test in the North Atlantic and the most dangerous waters we have ever sibbed in.
In conditions that rocked the 38-foot Nicholson, the H6 was comfortable and nimble. The strong hydrodynamic keel and reinforced FRP conquered infamous cross-currents in the Hebrides and Atlantic swells that could have begun developing over 3,000 miles away.
Alright,
Right, this water is spooky.
This combination of light, sturdy and streamlined meant that the H6 would glide over strong eddies and tidal rips that could immobilise other vessels. With plenty of rope points, quality handles and a reliable frame, this boat is great for saving the day when another SIB fails.
There is no other standard package out-the-box SIB that quite compares to the H6 line.
I'm literally in the Atlantic Ocean on a SIB.
The attention to detail is evident and pays off seriously in tough conditions.
The most decisive factor in the capability of a SIB is the build quality. With thick FRP, strong lashing points and handles, a heavy payload and a strong engine capability, the H6 is so far unmatched in the SIB category.
Though they can be useful and convenient, soft-hull inflatable boats are often seen as entry-level seafaring vessels. This H6 breaks that trend, and it proved to be a top boat that vastly outperforms the alternatives.
In terms of capability, captaining this lightweight vessel unlocks locations and experiences that you won't find on board other boats, and we can't wait to see where the H6 line takes you. It has fast become our favourite and most versatile vessel, and has facilitated the exploration of countless amazing locations, as well as finally breaking the OYZ SIB fishing curse.
If you want to check out the Hydrus and inflatable boat fishing, follow the links in the description and make sure to tell them we sent you in the Facebook group. We'd also like to thank Carlo from IBF. He is the top guy when it comes to inflatable boats in the UK, and if you want a high performance SIB for your adventures, get in touch with him or visit the website.
Here's a bit where you can get involved and make your impact on the OYZ fleet.
We've yet to name the H6, and we've decided to put it up to a community decision. So get your suggestions fired in the comments. Every like that they receive will count as one vote for your suggestion. If you want to boost your suggestion, get and buy me a coffee. Each coffee is worth 5 votes. Just attach your name to the donation. We're really, really excited to see them all. So get them fired in.
The competition will close when we post the next H6 video, so we'll be in touch with the winner.
Yeah, and a special thank you to Shed Adventures this week for sending us the life jackets that you will have seen during the mission. Thank you very much, mate. Links in the description. I'm sure that some of you will love his content, so go and check him out. He's really good. We can't wait to get to the Isle of Man and do the ultimate Hydrus versus Boat World test with Islander Outdoors.
Yeah, man, we're coming for
We're coming for you. And Boat Boys, we want to see you do a SIB mission. Go and check out the Boat Boys, and thanks for watching.
Get in.
Get in.